Hi guys, welcome back to Easy Adaptive PE. Sarah here, your APE veteran. So today I do want to discuss with you visual schedules, but I'm going to show you exactly how to build them on Canva. So if you don't have Canva, it's free to sign up for it. I'm not getting any money for this, by the way. I just really love Canva. It is the best. I actually did I was at the Central Western Zone conference last year, and someone mentioned that. They were like, Canva is the absolute best. So this is just from another teacher, from me to you. If you don't have Canva, grab it, because it really you can create some awesome resources there. It takes a little getting used to, but once you do, it's like amazing. So I'm going to show you right now how to create a visual schedule for any class.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a design in Canva, and this is kind of an idea of how I do it. This is what's going to be free in the link at the bottom of the video. So basically you have your sheet of paper, right? And depending on what your activities are, I like to keep them general. So the first one is movement. You could have the first one be circle time and have it here where you sit and you look at the schedule. It's really up to whatever routine you want to use. And because we're going to laminate these and add Velcro, you can move these around as much or as little as you need to. So basically, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for us. So basically, what I want to do is find black squares. I want to input exactly what I'm going to be doing for that day. And this is what it looks like when you have a blank schedule. So these pieces so for example, this is the lineup piece here at the bottom where the mouse is. You would cut that out, laminate it, put Velcro on it, and then you could add it right here to the lineup spot. So when you're finished lining up, you can take it from this side, or the student can take it from this side and move it to the other side so that they know it's time to go to phys ed. These are the large pictures, so these are also going to be available. So it's basically a repeat of this guy right here. All of them, in fact, each one of them, and they're going to be large, right? So maybe we have circle time or story time or social story time, or maybe we're going over rules or what we're doing for the day. This is going to be maybe a group activity. These are our stations, 1, 2, 3. And this is choice time. So this is where you get to choose what they want to do that day. And then finally, this is line up. So and these also are our number cards. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we also have go and stop, and we have U-turn, which I absolutely love. So you could add the student's name at the top, so that the student knows. You could even, if this is laminated, which hopefully it is, you could just use a whiteboard marker, and throw that on there, or even a Sharpie. And that way the student knows that that's their whiteboard if you have multiple whiteboards in the class, or multiple visual schedules, excuse me. So that's it. That's how you guys are going to do it. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Guys, I hope that was super helpful. A couple teaching tips: let the students move the pieces as much as possible. So if you're done with something and they want to take one piece and move it over, I would even encourage you to let them put the order in if you're able to do that. If it's something like station work and they want to do something first, second, third, fourth, allow them to do that as much as possible. The more that they feel that it's their board, and the more that they feel like they have some ownership over what's happening, behaviors will decrease, and you will just see an increase in engagement and joy. And joy is really the biggest thing that we're bringing to these kids. The more that joyful they are, the more they're going to participate. So you can grab my editable, I hope it's not edible, my editable version of the schedule. That's going to be right down below. So you can go ahead, click it, download it, and print it and laminate it. Always laminate. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.